So it is moment to create the controllers. The controllers are basically the classes that can handle all the communication between the models and return the responses accordingly in the case of our RESTful API. During this class, we are going to create the basic structure of the main controllers of our RESTful API. In fact, our RESTful API is going to have a lot of additional controllers, but we are going to create during this specific class the structure of the controllers for the respective resources that we already created. For this, fortunately, again, Laravel provides us a PHP artisan command to create controllers, and we can see the details right now. Let's see our command prompt again inside of our virtual machine. So we can see that it receives the name of the controller. And we have two main options. The first one is the model for that controller, and the second one is to specify if it is a resource controller. So for now, we are just going to use this option about if it is a resource controller. In fact, all of our controllers are resource controllers because we are handling resources in our RESTful API, of course. The model option is going to be used in future classes, but just after see the benefits of this. So for now, we just need to create resource controllers without specify any kind of model. Let's to create 6 controllers in total for every one of our resources inside of a specific folder for every one. So let's do it. So we have that we are going to create a controller called Buoyer controller that is going to be inside a Buoyer folder, and this is a resource controller. So just press enter and proceed in the same way with the others. We have one for category, for product, for seller, transaction, and finally user. So now if we go to check the structure of our controllers, we can see that we have several folders with every controller inside. So if you check the structure of every one of those controllers, they have several methods already created for us. This is why those controllers are resource controllers, because they have some methods in order to interact with a specific resource, for example, to create, to update, to delete, or basically to show. Of course, we need to create many others controllers, but for now it is going to be enough to see how it is working properly in the next class after design and create the routes. So see you in the next class.